As we look forward to 2021, many of us have started to think about New Year's resolutions. For those of us looking to lose weight over the next 12 months, a brand new diet can not only help us hit our weight loss goals but also introduces us to new food, raises our energy levels, and help us live longer, more fulfilled lives. And yet, if you decide to embark on a brand new diet, figuring out which plan to follow can feel mind-boggling. Trying to sort between the best diets to live longer and the not so great fat diets only makes losing weight that much harder. So, if you feel overwhelmed by the world of dieting and have no idea of where to start, have no fear. To help streamline your weight loss process and guarantee a long and healthy life, we talk to a wide range of registered dietitians, nutritionists, and medical doctors to assemble the top diets that can help you live longer. By eating healthy and exercising regularly, you can stay one step ahead of weight gain and keep moving for decades to come. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on. And watch the video till the end because the last point will blow your mind. Number 1. The Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has consistently been ranked by US News and World Report as the world's best overall diet, says Lexi Endicott, RDLD and culinary nutrition specialist for Two Taste. Rather than a diet in the traditional sense in which you go on it to eventually go off it, the Mediterranean diet is a simple and sustainable eating pattern that can be followed for life. This eating pattern can emphasize consuming a variety of plant food, a plant-forward diet, so to speak. If you feel ready to take the plunge, the nutritional benefits of this eating plan can keep you healthy for years. These healthful foods and ingredients are rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that decreases the risk of developing many chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's, says Endicott. The more disease-free years someone can add to their life, the better. Number 2. Intermittent fasting. Eating less can definitely help you lose weight, but it might also keep you around much longer. The diet that has the most empirical evidence in regards to increasing life expectancy is intermittent fasting or even fasting in general, says Dr. Alexander Lightstone Borsen, MD. Animal studies have shown that the less often animals eat, the longer they live in comparison to animals fed more regularly. The most notable study in humans followed 2,000 patients after cardiac catheterization and showed an increased lifespan in patients who regularly fasted. Another animal study showed that mice that were fed once a day had an 11% increase in lifespan as compared to the mice fed multiple times a day, said Dr. Borsen. This is a significant increase in lifespan and the warrants for the human studies. Number 3. DASH diet. If you haven't heard of the DASH diet, get ready for an eating plan that can change your life. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension diet encourages the consumption of foods that lower blood pressure has taken off in recent years and can do some wonders. The science is very clear that a plant-based or plant-forward diet is quite remarkable for its positive impact on longevity and health span, says Dr. Nicolai Harkin, MD, FACC founder and cardiologist of Whole Heart Cardiology. This diet is high in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, beans, nuts and seeds while minimizing or eliminating animal products and processed packaged foods. Numerous epidemiologic studies have demonstrated that an increased intake of plant-based foods results in reduced risk of cardiovascular and other causes of death, says Dr. Harkin. We also see a decreased risk of obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes and inflammation. While not all individuals may not be ready to go completely plant-based, working on incorporating as many plant-based foods and meatless Monday is a great first step. Number 4. Blue Zone diet. What do Greece, Japan, Italy, California and Costa Rica have in common? These areas constitute blue zones, areas of the world with the highest concentration of centenarians. In order to live like someone who could reach 100, you need to eat like someone who could reach 100. And this diet helps you do just that. The blue zone has several lifestyle factors in common, which appear to contribute to the longevity and increased likelihood of living to 100 years of age, says Dr. Kristin Bishara, MD, founder of From Within Medical. Their diets are composed of fresh whole foods which are primarily plant-based and also include nuts, legumes and olive oils. They incorporate minimal red meat with the majority of animal protein components coming from pescatarian options. They do not eat heavy meals late in the day or close to bedtime, says Dr. Bishara. They practice socially based eating and have strong ties to their community. This has been studied numerous times as a major factor in longevity, including another study called the Rosto effect. And they live in the areas with ease of daily walking as a form of exercise. This seems to also be another well-studied contributor to longevity. Number 5. Carnivore diet. Though it sounds like the latest trend, the carnivore diet is a diet that was followed for ages. Dr. Rashmi Biakot said, the human race evolved from eating raw and cooked meat. In the olden days, there was no agriculture and plant food was the least consumed. Meat foods are highly nutritious and carry numerous health benefits. If you ever considered yourself a meatitarian, you might actually be onto something. The aging process indicates impairment of mitochondrial function, reduced antioxidant effect, and increased oxidative stress, says Dr. Biakod. Selenium and coenzyme present in meat have antioxidant effect, helping in longevity and well-being. Other than these, meats are good source of vitamin D, omega-3 amino acids, and various other nutrients. Adapting to a carnivore diet can help you meet all the nutritional requirements for your body.